my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're gonna be making garlic pasta recipe, and this recipe tastes so good. So before we dive right into the preparation, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and what are we waiting for? Let's dive right into the preparation. So bring a large pot of cold water to a boil. Then I'll go in with my salt. Next, I'll add in my pasta. Okay, so I'm not gonna break this pasta, so I'll allow it to go right inside the pot. Okay, so I'm just trying to make it go down inside the pot. So we'll cook this pasta for about 7 to 8 minutes. Let it still be firm after cooking. So you stir occasionally. So as the pasta is cooking, I'll go in with my vegetable oil in my pan and I'll heat it up a bit. Next, I'll add in my butter and I'll allow it to melt. You can use any oil of choice. Next, I'll go in with my garlic. I'll saute this garlic for about a few minutes till it is soft. Okay, so next is my onion. We are building up flavor here. Stir everything to combine together. So I'll be using this chicken seasoning. You can use any seasoning of choice. Okay, and I'll be adding in my curry powder, salt, and I'll add in my pepper sauce. So we'll stir everything to combine together, and I'll go in with a bit of soy sauce. All this will add in the flavor. So mix everything to combine. So I drained the pasta after cooking, transfer it into a bowl, and now I'm transferring it back into the sauce. And I'll stir everything to combine together. You can adjust the seasoning now to your taste, okay? Test for seasoning, test for salt, test for everything. Okay, now I'll go in with my vegetable. So you can use any vegetable of choice. That's my red bell pepper, green beans, and next is my carrots. Okay, so you can use any vegetable of choice. Just do you. Thank you everyone for always coming. Thank you for always coming back to support me. I truly appreciate. I'm not taking your love for granted. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for sharing me. And this is my final look. The taste was so good. Try this and thank me later, okay? So I'll see you in my next one. So from me is bye bye.